Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today I have this month's Rose More Panty Power, so let's get in here and see what we've got because we've got a treat. This box is fairly new to the channel and new for me, and I am really liking it. I love that the point of it is for women. It's, you know what, we all deal with that monthly time, and it's just a little something to make you happy and make it easier for you to get through that time of the month. So let's get in here and see what this month has, and I'll tell you a little bit about the box. As of January 2021, the RWPP-ROSE Panty Power box is going up to $37.50. Technically, that means nothing has changed. Before, she separated the price of the box and the price of the shipping, and now it's just combined, so shipping is free, which I think it makes way more sense. You know, people don't love to pay shipping, but if it's part of the box, it makes way more sense. It still has at least $70 in value, so the value point is still there. And I will put a link below if you have any interest in it. This was gifted to me for review, but you will always get my honest review. The link below with RWPP25 will get you $5 off your first box. So let's open this up. I'm gonna open it down here because it's over full, and that's never a bad thing, right? Also, I should tell you, because in this day and age, it matters. This ships priority mail, so you get it super fast. I opened it up, and I'm gonna lift it back up. This is my December box. It came a little late, and then because of the holidays, I didn't get to it right away. So when I take the paperwork out, whew, it's heavy. This is what it looks like. And oh, that is what we have. This box, every month, you will get 2 pairs of underwear, and you would generally get a thong and a regular pair, but you can go in and tell them, like, if you don't want thongs, you can go in and tell them that. They do sizes small to 3XL, so they have a great size range. You also receive every month products for that time of the month. However, if you no longer need, for pregnancy, menopause, whatever reason, just because you don't want them, you no longer need those products, you can let them know and they'll just send you another lifestyle product. So it is so flexible. Also, and I always forget to say this until I dig in there, so I feel kind of proud I'm remembering up front, we usually get some kind of snacky treat, and I love that. We have the December, the last month of the year. And that is our paperwork. And then on the inside, we have a list of anything that could have been in your box, and she's put checks next to what you have actually received. And also, before I dig into this month's box, they have opened a boutique. Now, if you go to rosemorepantypower.com, and again, I will put the link below, you can check out the boutique. And she asked if she could send me something from the boutique this month, which I think is so sweet. She had me go in and look everything over and pick something out, and because here we are in the middle of winter, I picked out a lovely sweater. In the boutique right now, they only have sizes, I think, small through large. She's adding plus sizes soon, but she has a couple of sweaters where she flat out says they run big, and she has some that she actually tells you to size down a couple of sizes. So being an extra large, I went ahead and picked one of the bigger sweaters that they normally tell you to size down on, and oh yeah, this is gonna fit no problem. That is so pretty. And it's just a pretty blue sweater, and it has a cuffed sleeve, but see how the sleeve is a nice oversized sleeve? I like that. So pretty. And it's just got a crew neck and a ribbed bottom. You guys can see that. It's just a couple inches of rib on the bottom. The rib knit is not at all tight, so it should be an easy fit. And I just want to thank her so much for sending me this. It says it's from High5 HYFVE. And it is a large, and it is made in China. And again, this is what it looks like. So pretty. So the boutique is just right over at their site, the Rose More Panty Power site. All right, let's dig into the box. Right on top this month, we have my underwear. So we're just gonna start. I don't think I'll blush anymore. I think I'll be on the blushing part. We're gonna start right away with it. It always comes in this pretty organza bag. And when I take them out, the first pair is almost a full hip brief. It is very nautical. I like it. I like it. Oh, and it is an Adrian Vittadini. So that's kind of cool. Which, by the way, I should mention, when you sign up for this, you also let them know your size. So you get the right sized underwear. And my other pair of underwear, and I've never changed what she sends me because I want you guys to be able to see what they carry. I'm only going to show you part of this. It's dead sexy. And it is a nice little thong. It is so pretty. The lace on this, it's got some nice stretch. And it is so, I hope you guys can tell, it is so pretty. And the brand is Umita. Very pretty. I thought I would glass up. The inside of this looks a little different than it used to, and I wanted to be sure. It says, what's inside this month's box? 15 100% organic period products, or none. That's because you made the call. And it says it's valued at $9, and it has assorted sizes. So this is what I received this month. So you have both pads and tampons. You can have none of it. You can have only pads or only tampons. And you just let them know what you prefer. I have them send me all of it so you guys can see what they do. And then you get your undies, and they are valued at $8 to $25. And like I said, they come in small to 3XL. And then you have 3 to 4 thoughtfully chosen gifts from below. And then also, and let me show you these. Let me find them. Here we go. Every month we receive in the box a couple of the You're of a Genius down there wipes. And that is what they look like, just for cleansing purposes. And then we have our snacks. And this month we have M&Ms. Yum. It's really hard not to stop right now and eat M&Ms. I'm just saying. I have a Milky Way and a Snickers. Ooh, 100-gram bar. Oh my goodness. I cannot tell you guys the last time I had a 100-gram bar. It has been a while. And then some Haribo Gold Bears. So those are our treats, our snacks to get us through. And then for our lifestyle products, I love this. I actually have this. I'm probably about halfway to 2/3, I'd say, done the one that I have. And it is the Dr. Botanicals LM, which is just lemon superfood all-in-one rescue butter. They say to use it on any of your dry parts. I'm here to tell you, I use it all over. So I'm going through it pretty quickly. I am so dry that I just use it like it's a body butter all over my whole body. But this is what it looks like. And it smells, see, I don't even have to open it, I can tell you. And I'm gonna open it because I'm gonna use it when I finish the one I have downstairs sealed. It smells lemony, fresh, and nice. Not like Pledge. Does that mean anything anymore? Do people still dust with Pledge? Anyway. If something was lemony but not so nice back in the day, you would say it smelled kind of like Pledge. This smells really fresh and lemony. It's got a slight yellow tint to it. Yeah, just lemony nice. It smells good. It smells so good, and it is such a soothing butter. I like it a lot. And that has a $17 value. Next we have something in a little dropper bottle. That's always fun. And this is, what is this? Out the Mud. Is that what it says? Out the Mud? Yes. Out the Mud, which I guess is the brand. Amarna Floral Facial Oil with Blue Tansy. Interesting. For external use only. And it is grapeseed oil, meadowfoam seed oil, blue tansy, dried flower and herbal mix of French lavender, pink rose, blue cornflower, German chamomile, and essential oils of lavender, rose geranium, and clary sage. And it is 1 fluid ounce. That is what it looks like. Can you guys see how completely chunky this is? I can't wait to put this on my hand and see what it looks like. Let's see how it does with all those chunks in there. Oh, it does really well. All right. Look how pretty it looks in there. Oh, it's nice. It has that very blue tansy scent. You know, I've had some blue tansy face things, and it's very much what it smells like. It smells really good. I like that a lot. I like that. Wonder if you're supposed to use it on your body or on your face. That's pretty chunky. Oh, it is a face oil. To cleansed and toned skin, morning and night. Be interesting to see, because, I mean, can you guys see how chunky it is? It's soup's chunky. I guess you would just put it on and then kind of dust off anything that might be chunky. I'm going to try this. I will let you guys know. And that has a value of $21. And last we have something well wrapped. This is, oh, it's a candle. Spa Day, Live Young Candle Company. Soy wax, 8 ounces, and it has a wood wick. And it's just pretty in a glass with a nice cork lid. Let's see what it smells like. Oh yeah, it has the wood wick. I love wood wicks because they generally crackle like a fire. Oh, it smells nice. What is that? Does it tell us somewhere? It doesn't tell us what the scent is. Spa Day. Smell like I'm in a spa. It's very nice. It's, I would say, got more of like a green grass scent to it. You know, a real refreshing, outdoorsy, kind of grassy green scent. It's very nice though. I like that a lot. And it says that this has an $18 value also. All right, that is the Rose War Panty Power, or RWPP box for the month of December. I will put a link for you below. If you use RWPP25, you will get $5 off your first box. This box had, for my lifestyle products, the spa candle, which smells fantastic, and I love the idea of a wood wick, and it's soy, so much better for you. The very interesting, and I'm anxious to see how it does with all of these chunks. Out the Mud face oil, the Dr. Botanicals lemon body butter, love it. Our monthly products, our other monthly products. You know. A couple pair of adorable panties. And she was nice enough to send me over a sweater from their Mixi boutique, which if you go to the Rose War Panty Power site, you can check out the boutique. And by the way, I don't know if I said this in the beginning, they have free shipping, I think, on everything that you order from the boutique. You know, nobody loves shipping, so I just thought I would mention that. Thank you so much for coming by, guys. If you have any questions, just let me know below. If I can help you, I most certainly will. I hope you are having a great day and a happy new year. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. And I'll see you really soon, guys. Bye.